Hello, in this video I will show you how to enable Google Assistant to work on lock screen on INFINIX Zero 30. So you have to start with opening your Google application and now click on your avatar and then go to settings. Now scroll down and click on Google Assistant. Now click on Hey Google and voice match. And now click here to enable Hey Google. Now click more, I agree, more and I agree, next. And now click on voice model and click on retrain voice model. OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. Now click next, and now you can click back, and click back again, and now click on lock screen, and click yes I'm in, and make sure that this first option stays on, and now let's check if my Google Assistant will work on lock screen. Hey Google, and as you can see my Google Assistant works on lock screen. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.